guys, it's me William, and today you can see I'm sleeping. It's just like here. But yeah, anyways, today I want to show you how to build Mary Jane from Spider-Man or other Spider-Man like I said. So yeah, let's get started soon. So the hair, I don't know where I got this hair from, but it's just like red hair, and I think it's good for Mary Jane once. And sorry guys, this hair is kind of a bit rubbery. So when you get the other hair, like Mira, you can see her hair is like hard, but this one's kind of like rubbery. But you can still use this one, but make sure it's not like this or this, because it'll be bad. So the face is from the Wasp, from Ant-Man and the Wasp Lego sets. So I think that's a pretty good smile on there. Also, but something is not wrong, because when you flip the face off, you can see it's not actually a good face. So I'll use this face. So yeah, but tell me in the comment section below which face is much better. You think the Wasp's face is better or other faces? So the torso is from Shocker from Spider-Man Homecoming, like I said, but I don't know what it's called, but just tell me in the comment section below. Yeah, I really like this torso because that's the only torso I can find. And yeah, it's a pretty good torso, so drop me in the comment section below. So guys, if you think you can find another torso. So the arms, I just pull up the black arms, just these arms, and then the legs, I just pull up like these legs. Also, I just paint her like shoes. Also, yeah, I think that's a nice detail. Also, I did like the black lines. Also, I did some black lines on here. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.